Welcome, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't want to recognize your fingerprint. So in such case you'll have to enter the settings on your phone and proceed by entering the new fingerprint for your device. So go to settings, select security and privacy right here. Scroll down. Now go to device unlock, fingerprint and face unlock, and now select fingerprint. And if you have previous fingerprint models set up on your phone, then first remove them, then click agree, proceed by drawing your screen lock pattern, and before you add a new fingerprint to your device, just grab a dry towel and wipe the surface of the screen in order to ensure that the fingerprint scanner works properly and reads your fingerprint smoothly. Now you should also, if you don't succeed, you should also consider removing your screen protector and applying either an original OnePlus screen protector or just some reliable substitute, because some cheap screen protectors can affect the way that your fingerprint scanner reads your fingerprint. So make sure that you're using a good one for this. Now click add fingerprint and proceed by adding a new one. Try using different parts of your fingerprint in order to ensure the best experience. When you're done, click done. Then before we proceed, let's go back to the settings and make sure that we don't have any updates to install. So go back to settings, select system and update, software update, and check if your device has any updates to install, just to make sure that your firmware and hardware are in touch. As you can see, my version is up to date, but if you do have some updates to install, then take your time and do that. And just before we proceed, let's turn off the phone by holding the power button and volume up keys at the same time for a while, and then select restart and wait until the phone is rebooted. And after your device is restarted, first unlock it using your password and then check how the fingerprint sensor works now. As you can see, everything went smoothly for me, and I hope that it did for you too. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.